In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize quote templates in HubSpot. Now, customizing your quote templates not only helps with brand consistency, but also ensures that your quotes accurately reflect the details you want to convey to your clients. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your HubSpot account. It's always a good practice to ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to quote templates, so double-check with your account settings if you need to. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Commerce section, which is easily located on your main dashboard. Under Commerce, you'll find an option labeled Quotes. Go ahead and click on it. Now, within the Quotes section, look for the tab that says Quote Templates. This is where all your current templates are stored and where you can begin making edits. Click on the Quote Templates tab and you'll be presented with a list of your available templates. Choose the one you wish to customize by clicking the Customize Quote Template option. This will prompt you with a selection of templates, so pick the one you want to tweak and proceed. As you open your chosen template, you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. This panel houses different modules like text, image, and header, among others. Select any module that you want to edit. For example, if the text module doesn't quite match your branding or the message you want to convey, click on it and begin editing. This area gives you the flexibility to modify the content according to your needs. Next, let's focus on the Line Items Table module. This is a crucial part of your quote since it typically includes details like product descriptions, quantities, and prices. You can adjust the order of these properties to better suit your style and needs. Additionally, if you want to simplify or enrich the information, you have the option to either show or hide elements such as subtotals, fees, and total amounts. Make your selections based on what details are most important for your quote's recipients to see. At this point, it's critical not to forget to save your work. After making all the necessary tweaks and adjustments to your quote template, ensure that you click the Save button. This step guarantees that all your customizations are stored and ready to be used in live quotes. And there you have it. Customizing quote templates in HubSpot is that straightforward. By following these steps, you can create professional, consistent branding across all your quotes. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tutorials.